Sir.
Do you have some real food? Because I'm not a rabbit.
I'm sorry. That's what Miss Claudia likes for him to eat.
Miss Claudia. I'm getting sick of Miss Claudia's ass, okay?
Is she always like this?
Always.
I like that.
Well, now that she's letting us talk for real, what do you want to know, Lucious?
It's funny, I look and I see Hakeem, you have your daughter Bella and Tiana. Andre, who do you have? Do you have someone special?
I had a wife. She died.
I'm sorry. It's sad. When did that happen?
Long time ago.
What about you, Jamal? Someone special in your life?
Yeah, I'm seeing someone.
Have I met him?
Makes you think it's a him.
I'm sorry. It's not.
No, it's a him, Dad. It's fine. It's, oh, you never met him. I like him, but, taking it slow, you know?
Why? I mean, if you like him and he likes you and you're good for each other, do you know how short life is? Is it because of me? You see, love is,
It's love.
exactly.